Hello there and welcome to So Wikiola. My name is Chukwebka Yakub. Today we'll be talking about 7 tips for accurate body measurements. Let's jump right in. The first tip is to use the correct tape measure. So you use a non-stretch tape rule, especially one with inches and centimeters. It makes it easier to read and understand, as most patterns are taught with that. Secondly, wear simple fitted dresses. Avoid clothes that are too bulky, as they tamper with the measurements and then giving you inaccurate measurements. The third tip is to let somebody else measure you. If you are sewing garments for yourself, try to find a friend to take your body measurements. It will be more accurate. The fifth is to tie a ribbon around the natural waistline. How do you know your natural waistline? It's just beneath your ribs. Just tie a little ribbon around it to make it easier for you. Now, 6 is to keep the tape measure parallel to the ground. Keep the tape measure parallel to the ground when you're measuring. The 7th is record the numbers as you are taking the measurement. Don't wait. Don't think you can keep it all in your head. You may mix the numbers up. So record as you are taking it. I hope this has been helpful. If it has been, please let me know in the comment section. Like and also subscribe so that you can know when next I post. See you. Bye.